ISE 2025 is home to a diverse range of technologies, and being a standout for this year is a drones and robotics arena. I'm joined today by Francesco from Lang to talk about this incredible space. First and foremost, there's lots of technology here, LED, projection audio, but of course now drones and robotics. What is the draw in the market here? Why is this so important to ISE?
So drones and robotics is a new thing where technologies come together that we know in the AV market for decades. Networks, batteries, wireless communication systems, remote stuff. Everything comes together here to either entertain or work and be utilized by our clients in just a new way. So it's a natural evolution of our industry.
Of course, and what is there to see at the show this year in terms of drones and robotics? I remember last year there was a fantastic drone show, but the robots are here too. I've seen your little robot dog moving around and roaming and waving to people. That is just exceptional.
Yeah, we have a lot of suppliers here that showcase their latest and greatest in entertainment drones. This year we also had been joined by DJI Enterprise that are showcasing drones that can be more like industrial applications. But as you mentioned, the robots are here as well. We utilize them for many applications, obviously in marketing, to attract people, to entertain people. But we have real-world applications here as well, as camera dogs to shoot in quite unique angles with wireless camera systems. So we found a lot of applications, and I'm sure there's more in the coming years.
Absolutely, and it's great to see the technology in person, but there are also talks happening throughout the day as well to really educate people on the market, right?
That's true, especially the new coming partners from the enterprise segment are educating the people of how to utilize these new technologies. That's also something that can be experienced here in the trade show booth of the partner. Whenever you have the chance, just go to them, talk to them. It's awesome.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more, and I just want to get over there and have a play with some of those technologies now. So Francesco, thank you so much for your time today.
You're invited. Thank you. Bye.